Charles, founder of the Teach Me Effects Trading Community, back with another inspirational video. This time we're taking a lick, it's not a lick, but a look at GU. Right now, currently in a counter trend trade. If we come here on daily, we can see that we are currently on this upward trend, or within this upward trend channel. However, we have come into some daily demand that's kind of pushing us back to give us our correction off of this. So if we let's see if we can go down to the 5 minute just to take a look at how this trade has been playing out for the week. Here is today, which is Wednesday, May 12th. Here is yesterday, Tuesday, May 11th, and the beginning of the week, Monday, May 10th. We can see that GU opened up, came up, and gave us a high for the week, and then on Tuesday it pretty much consolidated, but essentially gave us a new high, and then when Wednesday broke out, it essentially came down, and we formed a head. There's our head and left shoulder, right shoulder formation. Okay. I'm looking for price to at the least come down to this next daily demand area right here. Price point of 1.4015, 1.40154. All right. Today, and I'm starting out with a smaller account this week. Okay, you guys can see here's the account history for the week. Deposited 347.16. I have taken a couple of partial payments, partial profits off of the trades. So far today we have pocketed $35.70. The current trade, with the current trade, we have a running profit right now of $76. I currently have the stop loss for these two trades here. Let's see, one is at $46. I think the other one is about $19. So that, including what we have already pocketed for the day, we're looking at about a $100 profit for today. So that is not bad. I cannot complain about that. Off of a little more than a $300 account, making $100 off of it. And if I'm not mistaken, this should be around 33% gain for the day. You can't and will not, and I hope you don't expect to get that every single day, but when you do get those days, about 3%. I don't know what my math is right now, but that's not bad for the day. So talking about again $100 profit. Normally, if you work an 8-hour shift, you're making about $12.50 an hour. And you're having to deal with all the things that come along with a job. So again, this is a video just to encourage you guys to learn the skill. Make sure that you have subscribed to the channel so you can get more videos like this. Make sure you click the bell notification as well so you're alerted whenever I go live or upload a new video. So that's it, guys. How to make $100 today, or $12.50 within working from home, pretty much. So all right, so we're again currently have a running profit of $80 and we've pocketed $35. All right, so that is not bad at all. Not bad at all. You're talking about $150 for the day. Okay, and again, there are some people who are having to make $12.50 over an 8-hour period and dealing with everything else that comes with the job. So not bad for the day. So All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. As always, please remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And